Hey there, fellow students. Have you ever wanted to shape the future of your university? What if you could help build a European university working with students from 12 different countries? Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, you can. Let me introduce you to UNITA, Universitas Montium. So, what is UNITA? UNITA is a network of 12 European universities working together to create a new, student-centered educational experience. It's all about making learning more accessible, inclusive, and collaborative, across borders. And it's not just about your studies. UNITA is working on cool projects in areas like sustainability, cultural heritage, and renewable energy, all while fostering multilingualism and strengthening the European identity.
Participate to the elections of the UNITA Student Assembly. Find out more on univunita.eu.